Here are the sample words from the chart for the nłeʔkepmx NBIT courses, and these will be the sample words from the initial cluster. In other words, the sample sound with another sound other than a vowel. The glottal stop, sha'a, sha'a, sha'alachin, sha'alachin. And the third one, sha'etwin, sha'etwin, which is a crane. And then the cha, remember it's also a ja sound, stew, stew. C apostrophe, tsaloch, tsaloch. C dot, tsanam, tsanam. Something to really be cautious of. I've noticed that a lot of beginner language learners will often put in an extra vowel. So notice that it's just a tsa and then an n right after it. Tsanam, tsanam, not tsanam. Tsanam. Gamma, shrap, shrap, or shrip, shrip. The first one is tree and the second one is shiver. A glottalized gamma, utip, utip, which means to get numb or stiff. The H, jahesh, jahesh, shhi, shchau, shchau. The K, G-ish sound, shkichza, shkichza. K with a W, rounded K, shkuza, shkuza. The glottalized K, or the K with an apostrophe, shinkiep, shinkiep. K with an apostrophe and rounding of the lips, glottalized rounded K, shkutlush, shkutlush. Again, pay attention so that you don't put in little extra vowel-like sounds. It's not shkatlush, but shkutlush, shkutlush. L, lapel, lapel, lhetz, lhetz. The glottalized L, shlacht, shlacht, zulip, zulip. I'm skipping the L with a dot, I don't know form. The slurpy L, lateral fricative, kiwich, kiwich, schwecht, schwecht. The little man or the running little man, glottalized lambda, ak, ak. Again, it's just one syllable. It's not ak, ak, ak. The M, shmeej, shmeej. Menunj, menunj. Glottalized M, menut, menut. Shmenj, shmenj. N, inblit, inblit. Nwent, nwent. Again, remember the tongue is right behind the teeth. And glottalized N, or N with an apostrophe, dash, dash. P, spapza, spapza, spland. Petinushim, petinushim. Petek, petek. Petechum, petechum. P apostrophe, spam, spam. Spätzen, spätzen. shpakam. The Q, uvular stop, the Q that said back in the throat, shkatza, shkatza. Inkamin. Q apostrophe, it has the popping sound. Kamaden, shkamaden, shkalipsh, shkapa, kalipshish. Q, rounded uvular stop, rounded Q. Quanoch, shko. It's a mouthful, that one. Shko. You're sewing or sewing. Q with apostrophe, and it's rounded, glottalized, rounded uvular stop. Shkamachen. Stmald. I've also heard that with stmald. In fact, I think I was saying it that way for a while, and now I say stmald. S dot. Just realized I've got the wrong form here. I don't have a form right now. T. Demich. T apostrophe, glottalized T. Stmald. Stuk. The theta. Give a. Chazum. W. Schwucht. W apostrophe. Chwa'al. The X, the velar fricative, cha'ayaptin. X with a little W, rounded velar fricative, tip. X dot, uvular fricative, back X, chayech. The rounded uvular fricative, the rounded back X, shchoshim. Y, yikim, wayim, wayim. Y apostrophe, yikadesh, Z, spazoo. Z apostrophe, gives a. Fringal, the backward question mark without a dot. Zop. Rounded fringal. Alig, woyip, woyin, worship. Glottalized rounded glottalized fringal. I've got a couple of forms here, but I'm not too sure if they're glottalized. Jackson, and Chalakan. I'll have to check those. The way I'm saying them, it doesn't seem like they're glottalized. And then the last one, glottalized rounded pharyngeal. I've got an error here too. Even though I double check it 3 or 4 times, I still find errors. Nłeʔkepmx doesn't seem right. Anyways, I'll have to redo this again probably. I'm done speaking.